Hello. So this is a question. For the year ended December 31, XYZ had service revenue of $187,000 and wages expenses of $109,000. The owner withdrew $37,000 during the year. Which of the following are closing entries? So normally, our journal entries are this. So there are debits and there are credits. Normally assets are debited, withdrawals are debited, and expenses are normally debited. Credits are normally liabilities. Equity and revenue are credited. But since we are closing accounts, basically we will debit revenue and credit the income summary account. Thereby we'll basically just clear the balances of the accounts. So we'll have to close the temporary accounts for the year. So in this case, let's look at this. Service revenue. So to close this account, you'll debit service revenue. For $187,000, then we'll credit income summary. $187,000. That's a zero. So let's look at the next one. Wages expense, $109,000. So to close this one, it's an expense, so we'll have to credit it since we want to close the account. So we'll debit income summary. $109,000. Then we'll credit wages expense. Okay. Now the owner withdrew $37,000 during the year. So we'll debit the owner's capital and credit owner's withdrawals. So we'll debit owner's capital because owner's capital is equity, so it'd usually be a credit, but since we're closing the account, we have to basically do it. Then we'll credit owners withdraw. $37,000 because the debits and credits need to balance. And so then we'll have owner's capital. So those are the closing entries. So we can also make this other closing entry for the year. So it'll be on the owner's capital income summary. So 187 minus 109,000. So we'll have 78,000. So that's gonna be our income summary. So we'll debit income summary. Then we'll credit owner's capital.